How rockets reach orbit. When you think about a rocket launch, you picture one thing. Straight up. Fire. Smoke. And a lot of noise. It looks like the goal is to go higher and higher. But that is not actually the main objective. Reaching orbit is not about height. It is about speed. Specifically, moving sideways fast enough to keep missing the Earth as you fall. So today we are going to walk through how rockets reach orbit and why going up is only the beginning of the journey. Chapter 1: The basic idea. Rockets reach orbit by gaining enough speed. This speed allows them to circle the Earth. Gravity is still pulling them down. But forward motion keeps them in orbit. Chapter 2: Gravity and Escape. Earth's gravity pulls everything toward it. Rockets must overcome this pull. They do this by generating thrust. But they do not need to escape gravity completely. They need to balance it. Chapter 3: Thrust and Lift Off. Rockets generate thrust by expelling gas downward. This pushes the rocket upward. The force must exceed the rocket's weight. This allows lift-off. Chapter 4: The Role of Fuel. Rockets carry their own fuel and oxidizer. This allows them to operate in space. Fuel is burned to create thrust. This process produces the energy needed for flight. Chapter 5: The Vertical Phase. At launch, rockets travel upward. This helps them clear the dense lower atmosphere. It also reduces drag. This phase is short compared to the full journey. Chapter 6: The Gravity Turn. After launch, rockets begin to tilt. This is called a gravity turn. The rocket transitions from vertical to horizontal motion. This builds sideways speed. Chapter 7: Building Orbital Velocity. To stay in orbit, a rocket must reach a specific speed. This is called orbital velocity. It is mostly horizontal. Achieving this speed is the main goal. Chapter 8: Staging. Rockets often use multiple stages. Each stage has its own engines and fuel. Empty stages are dropped to reduce weight. This improves efficiency. Chapter 9: Leaving the Atmosphere. As the rocket climbs, the atmosphere thins. Air resistance decreases. This allows more efficient acceleration. Eventually, the rocket reaches near vacuum conditions. Chapter 10: Reaching Orbit. Once the rocket reaches sufficient speed, orbit is achieved. The vehicle is now falling around the Earth. No continuous thrust is needed. The motion is sustained by momentum. Chapter 11: Fine Adjustments. Small corrections may be needed. Thrusters adjust position and speed. These ensure a stable orbit. Precision is important. Chapter 12: The Bigger Picture. Rockets are used to place satellites and spacecraft into orbit. They overcome gravity and build speed. They enable access to space. They are a key part of modern exploration. To wrap up, rockets reach orbit by generating thrust to overcome gravity and then building horizontal speed. The journey starts vertically but quickly shifts sideways. Orbital velocity allows the rocket to continuously fall around the Earth. Staging and fuel efficiency support the process. Once in orbit, motion is maintained without constant thrust. This has been a mini Leviathan production. If you enjoyed it, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.